Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel Uthappam at your home. So for the hotel Uthappam, what do you need? Here I chopped some veggies like onion, capsicum and carrot. So tricolor guys. And what I'm going to do, here I have some dosa batter and let's start the recipe. So to take a dosa pan, in this I'm going to add the batter and we have to do little bit like this. The uttapam should be thick guys. So this is done and in this I'm going to add this chopped the veggies into this. And I'm going to press these veggies in this dosa. So we have to press like this so that it will spread everywhere. And in this, in the surroundings, I'm going to add the oil. So here I'm adding some chopped chilies. If you like spicy, you can add some chopped chilies. So we have to cook in the medium flame, guys. So can you see how fluffy the uttapam is? And we have to turn this one into the other side. So can you see? And in this I'm going to add some oil. So after 1 minute we have to turn into the other side. So I will show you how it's perfectly cooked. Can you see guys? Wow. So today I show you guys the three varieties of uttapam. So this is the pudi uttapam, the coriander uttapam, and this is the onion and capsicum uttapam. And here I have the chutney which I prepared in 1 minute, guys. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make Uthappam for morning breakfast at your home like hotel. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye, and see guys how crisp it is. Bye.